Hello, everyone. How are you? Are you having a great start of your week? We're going to get started, and we're going to get started with Minnie. Not the mouse, but the planner. Although that should be a cute name, like Minnie. Like, not the, yeah. All right. Anyways, we're going with it. Because it is Mini Mondays. It is a new thing I am starting, and every Monday will be a mini themed planner, questions, plan with me's, whatever it might be. We don't know yet, but it will be a mini themed event. So, for those of you who are new here, welcome to Mini Mondays. We have lots of great stuff every other day of the week as well, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun. And for those of you who are back, love the mini. Power to the mini. Let's get started. All right, so today, many of you know my mini is not, it kind of gets left a little bit, and I'm considering when the new planner's coming out this next month to potentially pick up a different mini for my purse. But what I want to use it for, because I do use it on the go, I do check dates with it, I do different things with it. What I really want to use it for is just really looking at what, I have like a goofy there. Just really looking at like dates that I need to and taking notes and everything on the go. But what I'm going to use it for this week, and I'm going to see how it works. And I've used it for this in the past, and it worked out really good. But I want to see is I'm actually going to be using it as my cleaning schedule. So that's really exciting. Okay, phone interrupted. But yes, let's get started on the cleaning schedule for the week of the 11th through the 17th. Now, I'm going to use the Supermom sticker book. You might be able to still find this one out. And then the Daydreamer. So what I'm going to kind of do is I'm going to actually primarily focus on this section right here each day of the week. And I like the way it's written out. So I'm going to look for the stickers. Just say no to Monday. I'm going to do that right there. It's cute. And I have no like specific theme as far as like what I'm doing in this whole endeavor. Cleaning schedule, but I don't know color schemes or anything like that. I'm just going to kind of flip through until I see what I need. All right. I do like this little flower sticker right here. I don't know where I'm going to put that yet. And I know there's cleaning stickers in here somewhere. I will keep my on-the-go grocery list right there. And of course, I have to have a coffee cup somewhere in my spreads. It's like my, what's it called? Signature. Okay, I did not see these cleaning stickers, but I know they're in here. They must just be up front. There they are. All right, so what I want to try to do is create a day of the week that becomes more of certain tasks each day and then schedule those tasks accordingly. So, wash days I want to be Wednesdays and Saturdays. And I am flex. Actually, you know what? I'm changing this. I'm changing my whole theme right now. Tuesdays and Fridays. I'll tell you why, because I just realized I really don't want to have to do laundry on the weekends. But I want it spaced out twice a week. Little tiny loads. We're going to revamp the paint and stuff in our laundry room. So, yeah. And then every day I want to have a little bit of task of something that can be quick and easy and to the point. Excuse you. Well, you had a little guest speaker at this video. She wanted to come up and sit in my lap. So now you have it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull out my mom one. Bye, Daydreamer, for a little while. All right, I'm going to pull out this one, and I am going to put a badge down here because it's just cute. Now, my goal is to try to not do anything outside of like the normal daily cleaning stuff on Saturdays and Sundays, like dishes, and obviously dishes are like nightly, so it's not something that is mommy and me. That's so cute. I should take advantage of this sticker book more often. Yard work, that needs to happen Wednesday. Clean. And I think this is going to work out really well for mini Mondays. I think this is going to be a good thing. I want to see like a little duster though. Like I want to get more specific. I'd love to see little vacuums, you know, like really identify. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so actually, I want to leave that on the side. And I would say this is a prime example of like not necessarily having like a color scheme or a specific. Oh, these little circles. And then if there'll be any supplies I need to pick up that are not related to that. So, okay. All right. So, now let's think about this. I didn't put anything up here, but I have to think. Okay, so I really need to create a master sheet, but for this week, we're just gonna see how this works for this week. And yard work is gonna be take down Christmas lights. I kind of write big, so and then it's also going to be clean bathroom. Okay. As you can see, I had to like angle that up. That's pretty self-explanatory. If you did not see our mouse hunt, we have to take the trash a little more frequently. Hence why we're on a mouse hunt. Laundry. And then what my goal is to do like a load to maybe 2 loads so I'm not overwhelmed by laundry all the time. Is really what my hope is to do. And then I want to clean the floors before the weekend so I don't have to worry about it again. Saturday or Thursday is grocery shopping. Clean fridge, although they are coming out with that home extension pack again for Happy Planner, and I loved that when they had it before, so I may use that again. It's tough to say. Then up here on Tuesday, of course, you know, we want to do laundry again. And of course, there's things we're gonna do every day, like make your beds. And I might actually use some habit trackers over here for that, to see if I've done it well. In fact, I think that's a great idea. So I might pull some habit trackers out and do that for the children and myself. But I'm gonna make sure that I'm, doing what I'm supposed to. Dust house. Now we should be done with our house painting interior here this week, which I feel like is going to help me to feel a little bit. I cannot stand feeling scattered with things. Clean, and then of course, when I'm cleaning the floors, it'll be vacuuming and everything like that. But we probably should, sometimes that has to be done daily with my children. Really, counters, so clean counters. Now, of course, I clean my counters every day, but I want to clean them one day a week where they get a little bit more of a deep cleaning. And so that's what we're going to do on this week. And then on the weekend, other than the stuff that I want to do, like the regular cleaning stuff, like I said, making the beds, everything like that, like I don't want to have to be deep cleaning any longer than that. So tomorrow I want to organize my closet, which I have a busy day, so I'm hoping that I can fit that in. But I may try to work on that today so I can check it off my list early. But we're at home primarily today. So while you are viewing this on a Monday, this is being recorded on a Sunday. And so I may try to do that a little bit ahead of time, but I definitely want to try to get my closet organized. It's a little out of control right now. And then let's see here. The other thing, I want to put a little sticker for it. Gotta have stickers. Gotta have the stickers. Itchy nose. Then we're gonna clean room. Alright. So I like to just tidy. Of course, I tidy up every day, but I want to get in and vacuum the boys' rooms, and that I plan to do tomorrow as well. So here's my logic. Everyone has their own thing of what they do. I'm going to put my habit trackers down here, so I'm going to grab a couple. Everyone has their things that they like to do as far as cleaning is concerned. Some people clean better all in one go. Some people need to do a little bit per day. I am kind of in the middle. Like generally when I start getting cleaned, I start cleaning up pretty frequently. Like I start getting, going at it. But I do feel as though if you can do a little bit per day, it really makes those times where you're like cleaning a lot simpler. So my goal is to try to really work hard towards that. And yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna put some habit trackers down there. That should be enough. Beds. Which I probably should do like all the beds, but and not that I don't do the dishes pretty much every day, because I obviously do the dishes pretty much every day, but there have been nights where I've been really tired and went to bed and left them, and it's really not worth it. Don't do that. It's not worth it. In my mind, it just makes more work for the next. It just makes more work in the long run. And then what I'm going to do is put following schedule. All right, so now I'm going to walk you through overall uses here. So of my day-to-day cleaning out. Now I'm going to see how this works. This is an experiment week. We're going to see how I do with using the mini for this. I'm not sure if it'll be great or not. I'm going to ultimately use my day to day. I'm going to probably make more details. And what I'm going to do in the long term is like actually set out a plan for what cleaning the bathroom really like. Obviously, you think you know what it is, but like, what am I saying when I'm saying cleaning the bathroom? Am I saying cleaning the toilets? Am I saying cleaning everything? Am I saying sweeping the floors, cleaning underneath? Like, I need to come up with a plan as far as that's concerned, the detail of it. But overall, I just want a general guideline to follow. And then what I'm going to use this section for is just really notes that I need to remember pertaining to cleaning these items. So everything that you see, like other than the grocery list, I'll probably use that. Errands, calls, and emails, it's really just going to be more cleaning focused. So I'm going to see how it works for this week. And if it doesn't work, then great. I'll try something different for the following week. But I will update you after. Regardless, Mini Mondays is here to stay. So you can look forward to every week having a new mini video. But for today, I'm going to see how this works and see what it does. Let me know your cleaning schedule. I'd love to know what you do for that. And yeah, I think this is a good start. So, for those of you who are not already, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this getting ready for the cleaning of the week. And let me know what you do, all the areas that you do to clean your house regularly. I need help. I need lots of help. And what kind of products you use too. I want all the information that you have. Give it all to me. All right, everyone. I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day.